Hi everyone, we're going to cover in this Zoro tutorial how to go over your exchange rates and how exchange rates work within the system. So basically the way it works is you have one home currency, that's the home currency that you file your tax return in, and on top of that you may have multiple foreign currencies. So what I can do is go to the exchange rate module to see what foreign currencies I have. If I want to add any more, I can do so like this. I can just pull up any currency, any foreign currency I want to add, put in a rate here. You can put any rate pretty much that you like or today's rate and just click on add update. That'll add that currency and the rate as a row here to this table. Now what happens is once you've added this currency, this foreign currency, you can create accounts and transactions with this foreign currency. Basically, it becomes an option on the other entities when you create them. Now, there is a external API connection that's connected to your system so that every 4 hours this exchange rate is updated for all foreign currencies. Now, if I go to the sales rate module, for example, rather the sales order module, and let's say I select a foreign customer, right? So what's going to happen is it's going to fetch that exchange rate, that foreign exchange rate that was on this module. So for example, I have 0.75. So that's what it's going to fetch. Now, let's say if I were to change this to 0.81, it's actually going to prompt me as soon as I click outside of the box. It's going to ask, do you want to make 0.81 the system-wide exchange rate? So if I click OK, and if I refresh this page, you'll actually notice that the Canadian exchange rate got changed from 0.76 to 0.81. So that's what this is doing. And now by default, if anybody adds a Canadian customer, instead of fetching 0.76, they're always going to get fetched 0.81. So that's the idea behind updating that system-wide exchange rate. Now keep in mind also that every 4 hours this gets updated. So if you were to update that rate, it's only going to last 4 hours, and then it'll get overwritten by whatever live rate is at that minute. So that's basically how you manage currencies and foreign exchange rates within Zoro.